So here's one of the projects that I'd really like to get done. Crochet earring. And I'm using this little thread. It's a number 10 thread, and I'm using a 1.2 millimeter hook. Very small. Okay, this is here. Row 2.
That's still stacked.
And there's actually only 3 rows on these earrings, so it's super easy, works up really fast. But I get a lot of headaches when I've been knitting or crocheting for a little while, so I'm going to be using some magnifying glasses. I have these ones, but no matter how close I get the project to them, it seems to like blur a little bit. So I'm going to be using these ones because they work the best for me. Okay. Here is row 2. So the row 3 is just gonna add the ruffle effect like in this one.
Emily, come here.
1 second. Alright, so I finally got them both done.
He's done his F20, he's done his H, he's done his A, he's done his Super C, he's done the MD, now he's doing his A, he's done the 6 crackers.
He doesn't look pretty much by himself.
And then that he's done 2. Maybe.
Alright.
I don't know how much he's done.
They're so cute. Okay, so these turned out super cute, and I'm gonna put the link that I did the tutorial from in my description. Only thing I would say is there was originally 4 rows. When you're working this, I took out the 3rd row and just didn't do it because I felt like it would be too big, and I'm really glad that I did because I really like the size of these. So just keep that in mind if you want to make them in your working tutorial. this next project that I'm doing is on my knitting machine, and it's going to be a knitted hat. So I'm going to be using this teal color yarn, and I'm going to be using just black yarn. I am going to do it a band, so I'm unsure which one's going to be the band and which one's going to be the main part of the hat. I'll figure it out. And then I'm wanting to do those colors specifically because I want them to match this scarf that I made. And I did make a video on this, so you can check it out. So I'm going to do the band in black. So I'm going to do 50 rows in teal, 40 rows in black, and then 50 rows in teal again for a total of 140 rows on the knitting machine. I'm not going to be using scrap yarn for this. So I got done with the 50 rows on the machine. It looks so pretty on the machine. I love the purple and teal together. Anyways, now I'm going to cut off and color change to black.
So many people who fought on the American side fought for the British. Yeah, the British were taking the
All right, it's all done. Oh yeah, that is very nice. Yeah. Okay, now I'm making my knitting machine pants, and I actually got this tutorial from Lily, and then I can't say her last name, but this is who it is. And I'll put that video in my description if y'all want to make some knitting machine pants yourself. So I was making them, and then I realized as I had made the third panel that I made them too big. Because I was thinking, you know, I was a little bit bigger than her, and so I needed to make it bigger, obviously. But then I ended up making it too big, so now I have to frog it. And I'm going to make them, I think, a bit different than the colors I have in here. I think I'm just going to do black and the teal and the gray. I think. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so I've got a full panel done, and I think I like what I did with this better than what I was doing before. So I actually brought my knitting machine into my living room and I'm gonna watch Murdoch Mysteries while I knit. So just to show you my setup there. Okay, so I've only got the 60 rows in the first color, which is black, on my new machine done, and it's like almost an entire episode, so it takes me forever, like 40 minutes almost, to do just the 60. So now I'm going to add my teal, and I'm going to do 60 rows of teal. So I got my last row of the gray done. I just gotta take it off of the machine. And there's another panel done. I have 2 more and then I'll come back and I'll show how I'm gonna put them together. Okay, so I finally got all 4 of my panels made. So it's just black on top, blue in the middle, and gray on the bottom. So now that I have that done, I'm just going to connect them all with some stitch markers. And then I'll probably be done for tonight and I will do the rest tomorrow. So I got a lot done. I sewed up all the sides. And now I'm just going to attach this band. And then I think I'm going to do a couple rounds around the bottom. Then they'll be all done. Finally got my knitting machine pants done. Here they are in full view. I did add a waistband to it